Hello, this is a progress report on the IDEA Supercollider. In this report we're going to show you how to save a web page with comments and tags to the Supercollider, and then show you what you can do with the web page once it's in the collider, including adding it to an existing mind map and linking it to other items in the mind map. So let's get started. We'll click on the button that we've added to our browser that saves things to the Supercollider. And you'll see that our web pages come up down in the bottom. We have a place for where we can type tags, and so we'll type in IDEA. And you'll see it fills it out to IDEA Supercollider, and then web apps, and you see it fills it out. And then we can type in any comments that we want. And as we're typing the comments, we can scroll through the web page, read things, and summarize it any way we want, showing why we think this web page is important. Once we've done that, you can click Add, and it will save it and take you back to the original web page. After we've done that, let's go to the Supercollider itself. After we log in, we'll refresh the screen, and we'll see the web page that we have added. If we go into that web page, we can see the things that we've typed. If we wanted to, we could go in, we could edit those things. We could add links to that page, to any other page that we think makes sense. We can even change many of the properties in it. One of the properties is whether it's visible to the public or just your friends, or if it keep it private. Another one is, can it be edited by the public, your friends, or only yourself? If you allow it to be edited, if someone goes in and edits what you've done, the system will let you know that they've done that and give you an opportunity to either accept their edits or reject them. You can also publish the web page to the outside world. Another thing that you can do is you can type comments to a web page. And if you comment on a web page, anybody who is following your activity or this topic will get an email with your comment. If they reply to that comment, that email, their reply will go in as another comment, and you will get an email with their reply. So the system can actually document an email conversation about a topic as comments listed at the end of the topic. So let's now put this into a mind map. And so we're going to stick this into the one we call the IDEA Supercollider. So we'll click on that mind map, and it's actually related products. So we'll click on related products, and that'll take us down. And then we'll click the Add Remove button, and we'll see our topic down here. And if we just pick that topic up and drag it over to topics in the mind map, click Save, you'll see that it's now part of the mind map. Now, since this topic is related to another twine topic and we need to make some space for it, let's just take the topic that's in the way, drag it out of the way. And when we do that, you'll notice the link that we put in before now shows up in the mind map. We can create another link directly in the mind map just by drawing a line between two topics and then selecting the type of link that it is. And with that, we have now taken a web page, commented on why it's important, put it into the IDEA Supercollider so that other people can see it, taken that web page and included it in a mind map and linked it to two other topics in the Supercollider. So let's return back to the Supercollider and look at how you can see topics created by other people. If you click on New Topics, you will see a list of all topics added by anyone that they have listed as public, or all topics listed by your friends as viewable by friends. Any of these topics can be saved into your list of My Topics simply by clicking the Save button. Finally, you can create private groups. These are groups where people want to work together, but they want to keep their information within the group. Private groups work like accounts, only many people can be logged into them at the same time. And if you're a member of a private group, you can go up to the upper right-hand corner, click on a drop-down list, and you'll see your account along with the names of any groups that you're members of. So if we click on Ideas Super Collider and click on My Topics, these are topics that clicked on the wrong thing there, didn't we? Topics that are part of the Ideas Super Collider group that may be private, can only be seen by them. You'll also notice that we see a notice that a topic has been edited and waiting for approval. If you click on that, actually this wasn't much of an edit, but we'll say revert to the original since there wasn't anything in there, and go back to our private group. Anything done inside of that private group is only visible inside of that private group. People can edit each other's works, they can collaborate, they can create a group mind map, basically collaborate on any number of topics and keep it within the group. And that's where we are in a nutshell. You can save web pages along with your thoughts. You can just enter ideas, or you can make them public and let other people link their ideas with your ideas. Our next step will focus on streamlining the public pages of the Super Collider that could be used to publish your contributions to the web. You could think about this as a blog on steroids. Thank you very much.